Hello. Today we will be talking about nukes, the big booms, how to make them, and their history.
Damn, son!
Nukes contain about 100 kilotons of dynamite on average. That's 100,000 tons, 150,000 stones, or 50,000 squirrels. For scale, the bomb that flattened Hiroshima killed tens of thousands of innocents and caused World War II to end was only 15 kilotons, 8,250 squirrels. The biggest nuke that has ever been dropped was the Tsar Bomba, which translates to
The King of Balls.
which contained about 100 megatons of TNT, which is 100,000 times more powerful than the atom bomb previously mentioned. They had to remove half the TNT, so they didn't create
a giant nuclear fallout.
To make a nuclear bomb, what you want to do is 1. Get a suitably sized metal casing for all your incredibly dangerous materials to go in. 2. Now you want to get a ball of hydrogen isotopes and surround them with plutonium. 3. Surround the plutonium with explosives. 4. Surround with a foam capsule, keeping your ball at one end. 5. Make sure to add some X-rays to the center of your foam. 6. At the other end, add a small ball of my favorite snack, uranium-235, surrounded by yet more explosives. 7. Now surround your capsule with some more uranium and place it into the shell. Just like that, you have a nuclear bomb ready to flatten any city.
I'm coming for you, Grim. Don't.
But if you insist on surviving, don't be within 1.4 kilometers of ground zero, or you will be instantaneously disintegrated. Your chances of survival don't look good either if you're within 5.7 kilometers of the blast, as all of the buildings will just disappear from the shockwave. Insane heat will be blasted to 30,978,536 or so squirrels, or 11.47 kilometers. And that's only half of it. Then comes the nuclear fallout. This will you die a slow and painful death. Anyway, to try to survive the blast, you want to find shelter as far away from ground zero as possible. Even then, as long as you're still in the blast, your chances of survival are still shockingly low. So, in short, the easiest way to survive a nuke is to not have a nuke dropped on you. In September 1941, the USA started development on the nuclear bomb a whole 3 months before they joined the war. The man in charge of this was J. Robert Oppenheimer. The development finished in mid-1945, and 2 bombs, Little Boy and Fat Man, were dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The first Soviet nuclear weapons test was in 1949, which resulted in panic across the US, as they predicted the USSR would develop nuclear weapons in the mid-1950s. In 1952, the H-bomb was invented by the United States. In 1961, the Soviet Union tested the Tsar Bomba, and in 1962, the Cuban Missile Crisis happened. However, in 1963, the Limited Test Ban Treaty was passed, limiting the amount of nuclear weapons each side could own. Later, in 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed, ending the Cold War. Today, 11 countries have nukes. Pakistan, why do you need nukes? Oh. Wait, that actually makes a lot of sense. It is the end of the video now. Thank you for watching. I am going to drop a nuke on you now. Goodbye.